Next topic is showing decimal fractions on the number line. See here, this is the number line. 0 is the origin and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the whole numbers. And between 0 to 1, here are this is the unit distance. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, these are the unit distance. So how many units are there between 0 to 1? 10 units. On the scale also there are see here 0, this is origin 0, and 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Between 0 to 1, here are how many lines are there? 10 lines. So this is called the unit distance. 1 to 2 also, here is the unit distance. Now 0.7, this decimal fraction, how to show on the number line. What is the meaning of this? 0.7 means after 0 there are the 7 units. So you count after 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the decimal fraction 0.7. Understood? Now how to showing 1.5 on the decimal on the number line? Same as here is the 1 is the whole number and 0.5 is the decimal fraction. So what is the meaning of this? After 1 you count the 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and write here 1.5 decimal fraction. Understood? How to showing decimal fraction on the number line? Like this you solve. In the same way, show the following numbers on the number line. This is for homework. Understood? Now next point, converting a common fraction into a decimal fraction. Now see here, this is the common fraction 723 upon 10. Decimal means multiples of 10, 10, 100, 1000. So denominator is in 10, 100 and 1000 form. Understood? So this is the common fraction 720 upon 23 upon 10. Then you see the denominator. Here is the 10 is the denominator. And how many zeros are after 1? Only 1 zero. First you write the number 723 and give decimal point after counting the digits 1, 2, 3 like this, and after 1 0 means 1 digits you give the decimal point. Understood? You count the zeros. How many zeros are there? Only 1 zero. So you give decimal point after 1 digit, counting from right hand side to left hand side. Understood? Same as see here 51250 upon 100. Same as you write the first this full number 51250 and counting the denominator. What is the denominator here? 100. Then how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So after 2 digit you give decimal point. 1 and 2 digit and give here decimal point. Here is 1 0, so you give decimal point after 1 digit. Same as how many zeros are there? 3 zeros, and number is 5138. Same as you counted 3 zeros and the digits also 3. 1 2 3, and after 3 digits you give decimal point. You counting the decimal from right hand side to left hand side. Understood? And now next number 8 upon 100. So here only 1 digit on the numerator place. First you write here only 8. And then how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are. So you count the digit here, but here is only 1 digit. Then after that digit you write here 0. Now how many digits will become 2 digit? So 1 and 2 you give here decimal point and write here 1 0. Understood? 8 upon 100. How to this write in decimal fraction? 0.08. Same as if there is the 8 upon 1000. First you write only 8 here. And how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So you counting like this. 1, then give 1 0 and 2 zeros and give decimal point here. And write here 0 like this. Then 0.008. Here are the 3 zeros. So that decimal fraction also. Here are the 1, 2 and 3 digit, and then give your decimal point. Understood? Now next 3 upon 4. Now in decimal fraction there are the denominators are multiples of 10. So 10, 100, 1000. But here is the denominator is only 4. Then how to convert into 10, 100, 1000? And then here you learn the tables. So 4 multiplied by 25. Then what is the answer here? 25 4s are 100. So it become denominator 100. When you multiply 25 with denominator, that time you multiply 25 with numerator also. So 25 4s are 100 and 25 3s are 75. Now where is your decimal point? Here are the 2 zeros. So you write only 75 and after 2 digit you give the decimal point. Understood how to give decimal point? Now next point, converting a decimal fraction into common fraction. Here is the decimal fraction 26.4. This is the decimal fraction. Now converting into common fraction. First you write here 264. Only you write here 264 and 26.4. After you count the where is the decimal point? After one digit. So you give here only 1 0. And this is the 26.4. This is the decimal fraction and 264 upon 10 is the common fraction. And now 0.04. First you write only 4 upon 1 and how many? Where is the decimal point? After 2 digits. So you give here 2 zeros. Understood? Like this you solve practice set 15. In practice set 15, first sum is 3 upon 5. What is the question here? Write the proper number in the empty box. Then here are the boxes are there. And here the number is 3.5. Again you convert into 10, 100, 1000 like this. So 5 2s are 10. We got the denominator 10. 5 2s are 10. Now if you multiply 2 with denominator, that time you multiplied 2 with numerator also. So 3 2s are 6. Then what is the decimal fraction here? 3 upon 5, decimal fraction is 6 upon 10. Then how to write in decimal fraction? Decimal point 0.6. Here is the only 1 0. So you give decimal point after one digit. Like this, use for homework, you solve practice set 14 and 15.